In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a QR code using Office 365 and OneDrive. It's a simple and efficient way to share files, links, or other information with just a quick scan. So, let's dive right in and explore how you can do this in a few easy steps. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Office 365 homepage. Make sure you're signed in with your Office 365 account. Once you're logged in, you'll see a variety of apps and services available to you. Look for OneDrive and click on it. This will take you to your OneDrive homepage, where you can store and manage all your files in the cloud. Next, find the file or folder you'd like to share and create a QR code for. You can browse through your OneDrive files or use the search bar to quickly locate what you need. Once you've found the item you want to share, right-click on it to access a menu of options. From this menu, select the option that says Share. A new window will pop up, allowing you to set sharing permissions. Here, you can choose who can view or edit the file. If you want everyone with the link to have access, select Anyone with the link can view or edit. However, if you want to restrict access to certain people, you can choose to share it only with specific individuals by entering their email addresses. Carefully consider your sharing settings based on who you want to access the file. Once you've established the sharing settings, click on the Copy Link button. This generates a shareable link to your file or folder, which you'll use to create the QR code. With the link copied to your clipboard, it's time to move on to the next step. Now, open a new tab in your browser and go to a QR code generator website. There are many free options available, so pick one that you're comfortable with. Paste the copied link into the URL field of the QR code generator. Take a moment to review any additional options the generator might offer, such as customizing the design of the QR code or adding a logo, if desired. Once everything looks good, click the button to generate the QR code. You should see your newly created QR code appear on the screen. Before you finish, make sure to download the QR code image to your computer. You can now print it or share it digitally, allowing others to easily scan it with their smartphones to access the shared file or folder. And that's it. You've successfully created a QR code using Office 365 and OneDrive. Remember, QR codes are a convenient tool for sharing information quickly and efficiently. Don't forget to test your QR code by scanning it with your own device to ensure everything works as expected. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, be sure to like this video and subscribe for more content like this. Happy sharing!